Hello friends, this side KK Mahato and welcome to Let's Speak English. Friends, I know that you all are willing to speak English fluently. You all are want to achieve your fluency within a short period of time. But you know friends, what is the easiest way to acquire any language? What is the easiest way to learn any language? It's very simple friends. We have to just practice four things, and the fourth thing is reading, listening, speaking and writing. Yes friend, what reading, listening, speaking and writing. Because friends, let's talk about what is the importance of these four things. Let's talk about the listening. Friends, listening is the most important thing in case of language learning. Yes friends, listening is the most important thing in case of language acquisition, because without listening we cannot learn any language. Friends, I want to give you a live example. Just think about your childhood or any of your baby that present in your family or in your relatives. Because whenever you are a kid, then there is no one to tell you that this is table, this is roof, this is the t-shirt, this is the hair, this is finger. But by listening to your family members, by listening to your parents, by listening to your surrounding, you achieve that words that this is the meaning of that, this is the hand, this is t-shirt. And suddenly one day you started to talk about the words that mama, that is that one, mama, that is that one, this is like that. So friends, listening is the most important thing in case of language learning. And the next thing is reading. Friends, reading has also vital role in case of language acquisition, because without reading how can we achieve our fluency? So friends, reading can explore your vocabulary capacity. Yes, I am repeating my words. Reading can explore your vocabulary capacity, because whenever you read something, then definitely you will get a lots of new words. You can search the meaning of the words in Google, in dictionary, and by doing that you can achieve your vocabulary power. You can explore your vocabulary capacity. That's why I'm telling that reading is the most essential thing in case of language learning. Let's talk about listening, reading. Let's talk about speaking. My friends, we have to do practical thing. We have to practice more and more, because we know that practice makes a man perfect. Without speaking, how can we speak English? That's why to speak any language or to get fluency in any language, the most necessary thing is to speaking, because it's a very practical thing. Please talk with your friends, your lecturer, your professor, your parents, with us, with our team members, with whomever you can talk. Please talk with them in English. And the one thing is writing. Yeah, right, usually we are all our students, so we may write lots of things in our academic study, in our books, in our notebook, in our exam papers. But instead of that, writing has also a vital role in case of language learning. So you can one thing is, please listen English song. Yes, by listening English song you can achieve your fluency, because it's a one type of phonetics practice. So listening a song and try to sing the song in that pronunciation, in that lyrics, in that frequency. It is very essential for you to develop your phonetics power in that language. So friends, I think you all could understand what I am telling to say. To acquire any language, to achieve the mastery level in any language, we have to do four things. One is listening, reading, speaking and writing. So friends, I think this video gonna help you so much. And thank you for listening me. And keep practicing, stay motivated, try to speak more and more, try to talk more and more, and definitely you all can achieve your fluency within a short period of time, no doubt friends. Also friends, have a nice day, and bye bye, thank you.